How to redeem code in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem different codes. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the top, you'll be able to see this gem section. Simply tap on this gem section. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, scroll down to the bottom part. On the last section, there is promo code. Now, simply tap on redeem. Here, you must enter the gift code in order to redeem the code. So it must be valid in order to redeem it. You will basically get it from Duolingo websites and even other YouTube creators. So simply paste the code and be able to apply and get different rewards from it. So you can use it and even get different lives for free. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.